Imagine this. It's the last week of the month. You open your banking app and for once, you're not at zero. There's a little extra sitting there. $60, $100 or more. You smile and then a thought hits. I'll just leave it here. I might need it. Fast forward 3 days, food delivery, random online order, one unplanned outing. Your extra is gone. Again. If you've ever watched leftover money quietly evaporate, this video is for you. I'm going to give you one simple rule that turns that leftover cash into real investments automatically, even if you're a complete beginner, even if you feel broke most of the time. Meet Alex. Alex is 24, works full-time, not rich, not poor, just normal. Every month looks like this. Salary comes in, bills and necessities go out. There's usually something left near the end of the month, maybe $50, $80, $120. Alex tells himself, I'll save this, maybe next month I can invest it. But then life happens. A late night craving, a limited time sale, a quick drink with coworkers. By the time the next paycheck arrives, that extra is a memory. Alex feels confused. I'm not totally irresponsible, I don't buy crazy things. So why does it feel like I never move forward? Here's the truth. Most people don't lose their future wealth in big moments. They lose it in small leftovers that never get a job. Here's the rule. Give every leftover dollar a job before your brain can spend it. And that job is simple. Leave your spending account and automatically go into an investment bucket. Not when you feel like it, not when the market is perfect, every single month. Step 1. Define what leftover means. For Alex, leftover means anything above a safe minimum in the main account 5 days before payday. Example, Alex needs at least $200 in the account for surprises. If there's $350, then $150 is leftover. If there's $260, then $60 is leftover. You set your own minimum based on your life. The rule is anything above that number doesn't just sit there. Step 2. Create the Invest Me bucket. Alex opens a separate place where money can actually grow. This could be a simple investment app, robo-advisor, index fund account, or retirement account in your country. The name doesn't matter as much as the purpose. Not for rent, not for emergencies, not for vacations, just for long-term growth. Alex names it Invest Me. Here's the magic. Alex sets up an automatic transfer 5 days before payday. Rule: send everything above $200 from my main account to Invest Me. So this is what happens. Month 1, 80 extra, 80 moves into Invest Me. Month 2, tough month, only 30 extra, so 30 moves. Month 3, bonus month, 250 extra. So everything above 200 moves, so maybe 200 goes. Alex doesn't have to decide each time. He doesn't have to be strong or disciplined. He just checks his app and sees that leftover cash is already gone to work. Whenever money lands in Invest Me, Alex's investment app does something simple. Buys a tiny slice of a broad fund, or follows the basic plan Alex set once, conservative, balanced, or growth. No trading, no staring at charts, just small, automatic buys. At first, Alex worried. What if I need that leftover cash? What if something goes wrong? But here's what happened over time. One month, Alex had an unexpected bill. Instead of panicking, he used a small part of his emergency savings, separate from investments. Most months, he didn't need that extra $50 or $100 anyway. He was just used to the comfort of seeing it in his main account. After 6 months, Alex checked his Invest Me account. There wasn't a huge number, but there was something real, several $100s actually invested. For the first time, Alex felt something new. I'm not just working, my money is quietly working too. That feeling changes you. You stop seeing yourself as bad with money and start seeing yourself as someone who builds things slowly. You might be thinking, my leftovers are tiny, is it worth it? I don't understand investing, isn't it risky? What if I mess this up? Here's the truth. Tiny is fine. If all you move is 20 or 30 a month, that's still $240 to $360 a year that didn't vanish in snacks and impulse buys. The habit is more important than the amount at the beginning. You don't have to pick individual stocks. Most beginner-friendly apps let you choose a simple, diversified option, like a broad fund or a balanced portfolio with a few tops. Once it's set, your rule just feeds it automatically. You keep your safety cushion. That minimum you set in your main account is there for your short-term life. The leftover rule only moves money you truly don't need day to day. Think of it like this. Your normal spending account is your current self. Your investment bucket is your future self. This is how your current self sends small gifts to your future self every single month without asking you 100 times. Let's turn this into something you can actually do today. Step 1. Pick your safe minimum. Open your banking app and ask, if I have at least this much in my account 5 days before payday, I feel safe. Maybe it's 100, maybe it's 200, or maybe a bit more. Write that number down. Step 2, choose where your leftover will invest. Pick one simple place where money can grow, a beginner-friendly investment app in your country or a basic account that lets you buy broad, low-cost funds. You don't have to perfect it on day one. You just need a place that is not your spending account. Step 3, set the automatic transfer. Go into your banking app. Choose scheduled transfer or standing order. Date 5 days before payday. From main account to InvestMe or your investment account. Amount, everything above your minimum, if your bank allows variable transfers, or a fixed small amount that feels realistic, like 30, 50, or 100. If your bank doesn't support everything above X, start with a fixed number and increase it later as you get more comfortable. Alex didn't suddenly become a financial genius. He just stopped letting extra money sit around waiting to be wasted. The rule again, give every leftover dollar a job before your brain can spend it. And that job is become an investment. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need to understand everything about the market. You only need to make one quiet decision. My leftovers will no longer disappear. They will automatically build my future. If you decide to try this, tell me in the comments, what's your safe minimum and what will you name your investment bucket? If you want more simple money rules for everyday workers like Alex, hit subscribe. This is just one tiny step in your big leap.